Going to the zoo today. Yes.
At ang mag-cook.
So, bangka na. Yay! Boat, boat, boat. Ay, nakapicture ko lang. Go to the crocodile. Sit down. Crocodile. Ah! Pa talaga sa kami. Bin.
Remove na muna to. It's not hot yet. So you can see.
Wow, baby! Wow, manatees! Oh, let's go, let's go! Wow! Ayun o. Dito yan, dito. Yeah! Ayun o. Uy, sa alapay na. Bawa mo na eh. Nasa dilag.
It's not okay. Stress lang. Hi, my name is
Hello, Froggies. Hello, Froggies. Ayun sila. Cheers! Nice fish. Oh, fish! Ayan. Yan! Nasa tama. Yeah! Look at me, daddy! Look at daddy! Yes! Baby shark na. Ayun, ang lalaki niya, baby. Yeah, I see it. Oh. Oh, wow. They jump. Boy. Laki mo, boy, ah. Super big. Oh, ano ka? Rabbit ka ba? Wala ka laban talagang tenga. Ano yan? Anaconda? Ah, it's an anaconda. Anaconda yan. Asan na yung head? Yung anaconda. Nakatalikod siya. Ipis ka dyan. Dami-dami ipis. Yan sila sasakay sa bangka na yan. Tapos ikot sila. Look at this place. Oh, amoy kalabaw. Kasi hindi siya umabot sa height requirements. This is the panda forest. Family. I love you. Wow, laki oh. Yeah, sturgeon yan ah. Giant sturgeon. Come on, come on. Look at the fish. So many giant fish, baby. Yeah. Come here, come here. Wow, what's that? What is this fish? There's one, there's one. Oh, salamanders sila. Oh, look at this. Turtle. Nice turtle. Yeah. Oh, may crocodile oh. Crocodile! Look at the crocodile. See the crocodile? If you're not careful, they'll eat you. Sige ka. You just go with mommy and daddy. Yangtze River. Oh my God, what's up? What's this? What is a snake? Oh, sige, sige. Small fishes. Yeah. Wow. Bird. Nice birds. Hindi ang flamingo, anak. Oo. Not a flamingo. Birds, yes. Hi, birds. Is. Wow. That's too big. Show it to Tito Aba and Kuya Ate Atina. So big. Sobrang laki naman ha. Ang lalaki oh. Oh, sarap yan oh. Yum 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 ha. Oh, you might fall ha. Ooh, like a shark oh. Oh my gosh. You like it? Wow. Giant.